Hi, I'm Max. I just wanted to say thank you, Flamborough. The community support we received from last month's food bank initiative was simply amazing. Thanks so much.
Each month, we're giving back with a community outreach initiative.
For the month of May, we're offering a no-charge vehicle cleanup inside and out for all frontline healthcare professionals and first responders.
If you or someone that you know is a police officer, firefighter, EMS, doctor, nurse, or personal support worker, we're here for you.
Give us a call or email us to schedule in an appointment for this complimentary service.
Call our office at 905-689-8262 or email claims@waterdowncollision.com. Again, that's claims@waterdowncollision.com. Thank you, Flamborough, and stay safe.